I'm Dr. Joe Pojman, the Executive Director of Texas Alliance for Life. We are a statewide pro-life organization and have advocated for policies to protect mothers and unborn babies from abortion here in the state capitol building for more than 3 decades. The number of chemical abortions, also known as RU46, abortion pill, drug-induced, or mifepristone abortions, is increasing in Texas from thousands to tens of thousands each year. Those abortions are performed by physicians in freestanding abortion facilities. If some pro-abortion groups get their way, abortion pills would be mailed directly to women to their homes without any medical supervision. That subjects women to many dangers: ectopic pregnancy, unmanaged Rh factor, infection, and even forced abortions from sex traffickers. Texas needs a new law to protect women from unsafe chemical abortions. According to a highly credible study published by the American College of Obstetrics and Gynecology, even with abortions performed in hospitals, 20% of chemical abortions result in complications for women, 4 times more than surgical abortions. In Texas, abortions are performed in freestanding abortion facilities, almost never in hospitals, increasing the risks. Knowing this, in 2011, we worked closely with then State Senator Dan Patrick, now Lieutenant Governor Patrick, to bring chemical abortions under control. The Texas legislature passed House Bill 15, which included strong measures to assure that chemical abortions can only be performed in the in-person presence of a physician and only after an ultrasound. No unsupervised mail order abortions. In 2013, we strongly supported House Bill 2, including a strong piece by Senator Patrick to require physicians to follow FDA safety protocols for chemical abortions. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals upheld those safety protocols. The laws worked. Chemical abortions dropped from 18,000 in 2011 to 5,000 in 2014, the year after House Bill 2 passed. However, 2 years later, the Obama-Biden administration dramatically relaxed the FDA regulations. The numbers of chemical abortions grew dramatically. By 2020, there were more than 28,000 chemical abortions performed in Texas, a 6-fold increase. Chemical abortions, far more risky than surgical abortions, are now the most common method of abortion in Texas. If that isn't bad enough, the Biden-Harris administration could soon render the FDA's safety regulations, including the prohibition on mail-order abortions, inoperative. Texas would likely see a huge spike in chemical abortions and in life-threatening complications to women. We cannot let that happen. Texas needs to replace the FDA protocols with our own safety standards, including strong penalties to stop mail-order abortions. We will not rest until the law protects every unborn child from abortion. Until that day, we must enact a new law to protect mothers from chemical abortion as well.